Hello, Cingol!
This is a dental unit with humanization, safety, hygiene, and quality. Now let's watch a show of the dental unit. Our chair frame is designed by our own engineer, very stable, strong, and heavy. And our motto is imported from Taiwan with high quality. The light and the water separating control on the foot pedal, because when the doctor is doing operation, they always wearing seatbelt groups. If you use your hands to press the key, it is not hygiene, so control on the foot pedal is better for doctors. Our cushion is wide and comfortable. The XP wheeler in front of the instrument chain, it is very convenient for communication between doctor and patient. Our high and low suction saliva ejector is detachable for disinfection. We also make empty group side treatment of the whole chair. Now let's see the dental unit point by point. 1. Safety introduction. Two. Humanization introduction. This is clincher position. When the doctor finishes working, press the key. See, the light will automatically turn off. The spittoon will automatically flush water. The chair will automatically turn to a high position. Very convenient for cleaning afterward. This is multifunctional foot pedal. It can chair control, instrument control, bowl flush, and cup filling control. Very convenient for doctor's operation and avoid cloth infection. 3. Hygiene introduction. 4. Quality introduction. All of main parts of dental unit, we use import and high-quality spare parts. Our dental unit is the best choice of dentists